remember this. So this shit going again. Someone come out the minute I open the window. Got the alarm going. Wow. Yeah, this alarm tactic has been going for a while now. You know, different alarms, but same tactic. Why are you checking both your hands? And these fools, they got games, man. You know, just because the one thing they like to do is set the lights to go off, and then he's going there. It's all synchronized. Street theatre. Like, if you're going in that car, why open that one? Alright? Come on, you know, there's no logical reason to do that. But it's the same time as the entry, you know, like I said, when I open the window, these fools will be there a lot of the time. Or when I go outside, he's involved with that house, which you can't really see because it's dark. But I wasn't even intending to film that. You know, they're just showing themselves again. Showing you guys the consistency of how all this stuff happens. The minute I open the window, he comes out. Alright? The moment I open the window, he comes out. This is the technology, or they get in their notifications. Well, I'd say it's the technology, you know what I mean? But yeah, like I said, you know, we've got the alarm going again. You can go back in my videos and see how often this is being done. It's not a coincidence, it's not you know, genuine alarm fault. Is constantly being done as part of the noise campaign. Like in Sheffield, when they used to have this guy come on a moped and he'd set the alarm off in the morning. This would happen nearly every week. Well, it happened every week, several times a week. He'd come, usually 5 in the morning, make his alarm go off, literally set his alarm off, or make it beep. And you can, if you search moped perp on my channel, you'll see what I'm talking about. This is constant. This is the nonsense that goes on in this town. Alright? Silent. He's involved. The guy that came out there, it's the chubby guy. All that family involved. You know, you got this bullshit going on. No one turns it off. It's just, you know, I just had a phone call with one of my friends. I guess they didn't like that. So, you know, the guy's trying to say I'm crazy. Alright? Why is it that all these alarms are going off? Why is it that all these sirens are going off? Why do these alarms keep going off? Alright? Does everyone have a fault with their alarm here? Okay. No one turns it off. They let it run for at least an hour usually. Because I was downstairs, I could hear it. I didn't even mean to catch that motherfucker on video. But he's there. You know, it comes out the moment I open the window. And this happens all the time. I'll come outside, and one of these fuckers will be coming out in the car. Or they'll be coming out of the house when I come out. synchronization, same time exit entry tactics. Like I said, they've been doing that more recently instead of the other tactics. Although they have been playing the sirens today, which they corrupt in my video. They may corrupt this one, but I can get it uncorrupted. Yeah, they kept going, but I wanted to film that. Just give me a second. But yeah, this happens all the time. All the time. It's not a coincidence or anything like that. It's all deliberately being done as part of this orchestrated psychological operation that is targeting me and other people by the UK government, criminals, terrorists in the UK government. This government is corrupt, it is inhumane, it is giving Hitler a run for his money now. This stuff, it's just easy to hide. So, police come into my door, you need to think about your children and your children's children, that this could be done to them. Alright? Because when you look at the government and the history, they don't give a damn about you. They've experimented on police. There's no proof, but I'm pretty certain. But they've definitely experimented on people in the army, people in the Air Force, military, Navy Yard shooter. Look what they did to that guy. They've got no loyalty. There's no loyalty amongst thieves. You're dealing with criminals in the government. Criminals. Okay? So, you need to seriously consider your allegiances. Because even if it doesn't happen to you, it might happen to your daughter, your son, your wife. Because these people don't care. They've got no considerations for human life at all. They only care about themselves. To them, it's just a game. It's just a game, and I don't know. Psychopaths, you come into my door trying to say I'm crazy. You need to really reconsider that and think about what I'm showing in my videos, because I know you're still watching my videos. I'm pretty certain of that. So, it could be your children that get this in the future. All it takes is for someone to not take a dislike in them, or they do say the wrong thing or do the wrong thing. So don't support the Nazis or whoever these fucks are, because they are like the Nazis. Okay, so that's all I gotta say.